Tricia, I don't know any active gardeners that don't have a compost pile.
Well, Danny, neither do I, because it is one of the most beneficial tools in the garden, and it's so easy to do. You know, I actually have this compost bin. I wish I had about 3 more, and I also have a compost pile elsewhere in the garden. But you know, you put all of your kitchen matter, no meat ever, but anything that is vegetable, scraps from the garden, all sorts of things in here. And in time, you know, the leaves, the grass, everything breaks down and it becomes fabulous compost and mulch. Another really important thing that I add are coffee grounds.
Well, that's a lot of coffee somebody's been drinking.
Yeah, well, actually, I haven't drunk all this coffee. There are some coffee shops across the United States that actually save their coffee in filters for crazy gardeners like me.
Oh, do they sell it to you?
No, it's actually, they just have it there and you can take it. And it's so wonderful because, as you can see, the coffee grounds and the filters themselves are all biodegradable. Now, what's so wonderful about coffee is that worms love it.
Oh, okay, and that's an important part of a compost pile,
right,
is having the earthworms in there.
That's right. Well, the coffee helps the compost pile be active, meaning, you know, continue the breakdown process. The earthworms, because they're eating it, leave their castings, and that creates this wonderful soil. So it's a very symbiotic relationship for everybody, and I just love it.